Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to instantly create Shopify customers from new HubSpot form submission. So the idea here is that whenever a new form is submitted on the HubSpot forms, automatically a new customer should be created into the Shopify account. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between HubSpot and Shopify. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my HubSpot account where I have created a form named contact form, and this is my Shopify account. So now I want that whenever this HubSpot form is filled, this contact form, automatically the customer should be added into the Shopify account over here. So let us fill the form. I have opened the form in a new tab and I have added the email address over here as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let us add the first name as Adam and last name as Smith. I have added the mobile number and now let's click on submit. Thanks for submitting the form. Okay, so the form is filled. Now let's go to Shopify. I'll refresh it. And here we can see that a new customer named Adam Smith is added over here. Now here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, that is my HubSpot form, and automatically the customer is added here in my Shopify account. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between HubSpot and Shopify, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating HubSpot with Shopify automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the HubSpot form, and using those details automatically a new customer will be created into the Shopify account. And in this way we are going to learn how we can create an integration between HubSpot and Shopify using Pabbly Connect. So here we are using two software applications. The first one is HubSpot. So HubSpot is a CRM software application. So not only HubSpot, in place of HubSpot you can use Insightly CRM, Zoho CRM, etc. Okay. And the other application we are using is Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform where we can sell our products digitally. So in place of Shopify, you can use even WooCommerce, Gumroad, etc. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as HubSpot and Shopify integration. Okay. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new HubSpot form is submitted, automatically a new customer should be created in Shopify. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as HubSpot CRM. In the trigger event, we have to select new contact added. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us follow the instructions which are mentioned here. Log into your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to integrations. Then you have to move to API key And from there we are going to generate the API key. Okay, so let us move to the HubSpot account first. So I am logged into my HubSpot account. Here we can come to the settings option. Click on it. Here when we scroll down we can find the integrations tab. Simply click on integrations. Okay, and here we can find the API key. Click on API key. And here we can find the active API key. So we have to simply click on show. We have to confirm the access over here. Okay, and now we can see the API key. We are going to simply copy it from here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we'll be pasting the same API key over here. And let's click on save. And now the HubSpot CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a test lead and I'll just fill up the form, the HubSpot form. For that I'll just go to the HubSpot account. Okay, let us click on back. Here we can find the marketing option. Click on marketing and at the last we can find forms. So these are the HubSpot forms which I have already created. If you want to create a new form, you can create from here by clicking on this create form option. Okay. So here we'll be using this contact form. So I'll just simply click on the actions tab and here I'll click on the share option. So we will get a share link. So by using this particular link, we can fill up the form details and even you can share this link with your customers or you can put it on your websites. Okay. Now here we are going to copy this link and I'm going to open a new tab over here and we are going to paste the same link over here. So we can find a new form. Let us fill this form first. I'll give the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, and let's add the mobile number along with the country code. +91 is also required. Okay, so I'll add the mobile number and let's click on submit. Thanks for submitting the form. Okay, so the form is filled now. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So let us check what we have received in this particular response. We can see the email address. Okay, we can see the first name. I'll scroll down. Here we can find the mobile number. Okay, and all other details related to this particular form are captured over here. Now I want to give you an important information over here that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. Your data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want that using these details automatically a new customer should be created into the Shopify account. So come to this action window and here in the application name we are going to select Shopify. In the action event we have to select create customer. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the private app password and enter subdomain. So let us read the instructions. You can create your private app password by login to your Shopify account. After login, navigate to apps, manage private apps and click on create new private app. Okay, so let us go to the Shopify account first. So this is my Shopify account. Here we can find the apps option. Simply click on apps. And here we can find so many apps are already installed. I'll just scroll down and at last we can find manage private apps option. Simply click on this. Here we can find private apps. So here we have to come to this create new private app option. Click on it. So we are going to create a new private app. Here we have to give the private app name. So let us give it as HubSpot integration. Here we have to give the emergency developer email. So I'll just add the email over here as admin1@pabbly.com. Okay. And we have to set the active permissions for this app. For that, we have to click on Show Inactive Admin API Permissions. Here we can find so many inactive permissions. So all of them are inactive. So for this particular app, that is HubSpot integration, we are going to give the permission for the customers. Using this particular option, they can view or manage the customers address, order history and customer groups. So from the no access option, we are going to give it as read and write access option. So we have allotted the customer access. Let us scroll down, and at last we have to click on save. So you are about to create a private app. Yes, let's click on create app. Okay, so the API credentials are saved. Private app created successfully. Okay. Now here when I scroll down, here we can find the API key password. So in Pabbly Connect, we need the private app password. So let us copy the password from here. So it is copied to the clipboard. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and we have to paste the password over here. Okay. Now here we have to enter the subdomain. So enter your Shopify store subdomain. Example, if this is the URL, then the subdomain will be X, Y and Z. So I'll just go to the Shopify account once again. I'll click on this URL and here you can see that PABBLY. This is my subdomain. So I'm going to simply copy it from here. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the subdomain over here. And now let's click on save. And now the Shopify account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the first name, last name, email address. So we have already got all these details from the HubSpot form. So we are going to map these details now. Okay. So I'll just scroll down. Let's map the first name. And the first name was Shikha. Last name. So the last name was Arya. I'll scroll down. Email address. Let us find the email address over here. This one. Let us map the phone number over here. So I'll just find the phone number and scroll down, and this is the phone number. Okay. We don't have the address details, company details, city. So if you have all these details, you can map it over here. Okay. Let us scroll down. Here we can give a note. So I am going to give the note as customer via HubSpot forms. So this note will be displayed whenever a new customer is created in Shopify. Okay. Here we have to give the accept marketing. Select the option set true if the customer has consented to receive marketing material via email. So in my case, I'm just keeping it as false. You can select it as per your requirement. Okay. And now let us click on save and send test request. Okay. And here we can see the responses received. Now let us check the Shopify account. I'll refresh it. Okay. And here we can see Shikha Arya. Customer via HubSpot forms. A new customer is added over here. Let us open the customer and check. So here we can find the customer Gmail account, his mobile number, okay, and the full name. So in this way, our integration is working. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we'll go to the HubSpot forms once again and let us create one more lead over there. Here, I have already filled the details. I have given the email address as kuldeepg22@gmail.com, first name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta, and mobile number I have given it. Now let's click on submit. Thanks for submitting the form. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check the Shopify account. I'll refresh it once again. And here, even after refreshing, we don't find the new contact just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based, so it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Now it's almost 6 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. And after refreshing, we can find Kuldeep Gupta is added as a new customer over here in the Shopify account. Okay. And here we can see a tag along with it, customer via HubSpot forms. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this one also. So first we have created an integration between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details from the form related to the contact and using those details, automatically a new customer is created into the Shopify account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between HubSpot CRM and Shopify using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.